I just posted a picture of myself at a huge event here in Austin, Texas, and I held up my press badge. And people always ask me, Jeff, how did you get a press badge? So I figured I'd record this video and share with you guys a couple tips on how you can become press at the biggest events. First off, if you don't know, a press pass is amazing. It's bigger than a speaker pass because you have full access to all sorts of stuff. And usually the press is also invited to special types of events and dinners and special access to CEOs and founders before everyone else because they all want what you have, an audience, which brings you to the attention. An audience is really important. So one of the ways you can do that is by actually sending pitches for different types of articles that you could write for notable publications. So for example, I'm a contributor to entrepreneur.com, to CEO World, to various different publications that make a lot of sense in my industry. So if I'm going to go to a crypto event and I'm saying that I'm covering it for example, Block Telegraph, they're going to say, okay, this media organization is relevant and we would like them to come and cover the event. Because remember, the reason why they give the press passes out is because you're going to be giving them publicity. You're going to be showing and speaking and showing up and kind of like promoting. You're like a little marketer. You're a little marketer at these events when you show up as press. So think about the different publications that are important for your industry, for your niche, and think about stories that you could do for them. And I will tell you something that, might get people in trouble. Now, this is not something that I do, but I do know people that maybe aren't the best writers, and you don't have to be the best writers, but you can shoot videos like this. You can have it transcribed, and that can be your articles. You can send it to someone to help edit for you if you are not a great writer or you just don't like doing it. So think about building up your own personal brand and how you can actually leverage becoming a contributor to different organizations and publications to build credibility so that people will invite you to come cover the event and share what you learned with your audience. My name is Jeff J. Hunter. Hope that was fun.